All right, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, he's gonna start revving it.
Yeah, yo. Soon you want to
Dark,
start
yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You see here we got. So this is a 2016 M6, and this is a 09 M6. Here's the owner. All right. Now, what's the difference between these two vehicles here?
V8 twin turbo, 640 horsepower, 580 torque. This is a V10 straight NA, 580 horsepower, 390 torque.
Okay.
Right. This one,
and of course, dark horses have to make it known.
This V10 one is the one I actually track. So I actually take it to the track, whether it be autocross, whether it be road course or drag strip. I take the V10 out.
Okay. So you got the wheels on there. What kind of wheels are those?
BC forged.
Nice.
Yep. Sapphire blue metallic.
All right. Then here's the engine bay of that V10. Got them dressed up a bit.
Yeah. Unfortunately, a shop gave me my car back with the oil cap not installed. So oil got everywhere. So I got to get that redone, which is going to get redone. As a matter of fact, I didn't paint this. I had it done at Chameleon Customs.
Okay.
So he said just bring the plenum back. He'll fix it up the way it should look, and I'll install it right back on.
Okay. And then the twin turbo V8.
It's the F06 model, which is basically the Grand Coupe 4-door M6 with a V8 twin turbo.
Nice. You got this clean. You said it's a 17.
16.
16. Sorry, 16.
2016.
Look at that, guys. 4-door M6 and a 2-door M6.
As you can tell, I like my M6s.
And these are both his.
Both of them.
So, yeah. It's like on the Charger and the Challenger, Hellcat, or like 392, you know?
That's the equivalent. You have the 2-door, and then you got the 4-door.
Yeah.
My daughter loves this 4-door because even though it's a fast car, it has all the luxuries. I can sit there and it's got blinds for the back window and the back side window, so make it nice and dark when you want it to. You know, you got heated seats in the front and in the back seats, as well as AC seats.
Nice.
So everything, all the cushions you get as the driver and passenger, the people in the back seat gets it too.
Nice. All right, guys, that was a quick interview with, what's your name again?
Mike Harrington.
Mike Harrington. You got Instagram page, anything like that?
I got Facebook.
Okay.
So Mike Harrington /Neo is the nickname.
All right. We'll put that on there. We'll drop that right there. All right, guys, we finna keep it moving. Gonna see all you other cars at the FTK 2024. I'm gonna call it a Christmas toy run.
That's exactly what it is.
So yeah, to enter the car show today, you had to bring a toy. All right, Mike, I'm gonna catch you.
All right, man, good one.
Yep. So today you had to bring a toy to be entered into the car show, and it goes all the way down, and it is being hosted by 9line. Gemini, her Instagram will be right here. She hit me up on Instagram, and a lot of other people in the area. A lot of people came out to show support. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jack!